Welcome to Bhutan Bird Festival.
We are excited to host this fifth edition of Bhutan Bird Festival 2025. Bhutan Bird Festival was started in 2015, basically to pay tribute to His Majesty the 4th 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗏, who is the leader of conservation in Bhutan. For this year's festival, we have around 12 activities, mainly related to biodiversity conservation, focus on bird conservation and other activities related to conservation. Why bird festival? In the 13th five-year plan, Zhemgang administration has identified tourism, promoting ecotourism as one of the key strategies that we feel that it will boost local economy and drive economic growth in the Zhemgang. So, Bhutan Bird Festival is one of the products, our tourism products, to promote local economy and also to generate local jobs. So during this two-day event, because of this event, we expect that it will help our local hotels, restaurants, ecologists and other local business enterprises.